As the months have gone by, Bashir and I have talked a lot about company culture, and we think culture is just super important. It's not everything, but it kind of is. So there's a few things that we have in mind. Actually, there was a talk at EF from the CEO of Taboola, and we took away quite a lot from that. It was great. But we have written on the wall next to us, what does it say? Smart, passionate, and kind, or with integrity. And for us, those are kind of the three things that no matter how smart, no matter how kind of talented someone is, they've got to be, smart. They've got to be passionate about the problem. You know, we're setting out there trying to make the world more sustainable by doing something quite unglamorous. You know, we're going into factories and helping them become more efficient. But it's a really important problem, so we need them to resonate with that. And we also need people to have integrity. So to have a kind mindset and have an honest mindset. Ultimately, the relationships with customers, employees, investors, everything relies upon having great integrity. And also with each other. Hey, I'm having difficulty with this problem. Like, we need to talk about it. I think that's really important to us.